Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app payment issue. So whether you link your bank card to WeChat before payment on Pinduoduo or you use your bank card for direct payment on Pinduoduo, you need to pay proper attention to this video, and there are things you can do and there are things you don't do in this category as far as Pinduoduo payment is concerned. Just like what you see right here, recently someone reached out to me about this issue and I decided to make a video about it so a lot of people can be aware of it. And at the same time, remember to share this video to people that are using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app to source and ship from China without any stress. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo or IDFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Just like what you see right here, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here from my YouTube channel. What's up? Good evening. How are you doing? Please, I want to find out, is it possible to transfer money from your WeChat account to your virtual Visa card account? Now, this is my response right there. I said it's not possible. Why this is not possible is that virtual Visa card account is not recognized by Chinese citizens. It's not recognized by Chinese financial system. And WeChat is solely owned by Chinese. So as a result of that, you can never withdraw your WeChat money from your WeChat account balance to your virtual card. Even if you link your Visa or MasterCard and your virtual card, as the case may be, you link it with WeChat, that does not mean that you can use the same card to top up your WeChat wallet balance. It's not possible. But in some cases, people link their bank card, whether Visa or MasterCard, and use it as a payment on Pinduoduo, and which is exactly what this person does right here. So let's go for that. And they later send me this kind of screenshot right here, and then you can see a refund of 699.92 yuan. And here, let me zoom out. You see refunded. These are all refunded price right here, and everything accumulated to this amount of 699.92 yen. What actually happened? And this person here made use of Visa card. So let's find out. So what actually happened with this transaction here? Please both, I need your guide. I requested for a refund, but the money did not reflect a WeChat balance, and they later sent me this. This is their WeChat balance, which still remains zero, and they are looking for a kind of 600 and something in a refund from Pinduoduo into their WeChat wallet. Where this person gets it wrong here is that if you use your, like this person here, what they did here is link the bank card to WeChat wallet right here, which is very much possible. Whether Visa card or MasterCard, you can link it to your WeChat wallet. But that does not mean that that card, like I said earlier, that does not mean that the card can be useful for withdrawal and transfer. You can only link the card and use the card for payment on a platform that accepts WeChat payment as a means of payment. Like a case study of Pinduoduo right here, Pinduoduo accepts a WeChat payment in their checkout, and if you don't have funds in your WeChat balance, you can switch to card that you link with your WeChat and use it for payment, which is exactly what this person does right here. Now, in a case of refund, if there is any refund for this type of transaction on Pinduoduo, the refund is going to go back to the Visa card or MasterCard that this person linked right here. It's not going to be reflected on the WeChat wallet balance because you did not make payment from the WeChat wallet balance. So this is where this person is getting it wrong. For this particular refund to be successful, it has to go back to your virtual Visa or MasterCard. This depends on the card, and this depends on the kind of bank card issuer of that Visa or MasterCard that facilitate the refund to be successful. Everything depends on them. But right here, the refund has been successful and the money has been credited back to the card. If you find yourself in this category, the best way for you to solve this kind of thing, whether you link your bank card to your WeChat wallet or you pay directly with your bank card on Pinduoduo, Only thing you need to do after a successful refund and you cannot find your money on the WeChat wallet or on the bank card, the best bet for you is to contact your bank issuer card and make a complaint about it, and they will fix the problem. However, some of the refund like this take about 1 week, 2, 3, 4 weeks, or even months at times before you can eventually get your money back successfully. However, for every foreigners that are using Pinduoduo to source and ship from China, it is always advisable that you make use of Alipay or you fund your WeChat wallet balance right here. Assuming this person here fund the WeChat wallet balance before they go ahead and make payment, the refund will be credited instantly back into the WeChat wallet balance right here. This is because it is a China to China transaction and financial system. It's not like foreign master or Visa card transaction to China financial transaction system. That is how it works. If it is a case study of direct Alipay wallet, once you get your refund successful, instantly you get your money back into your Alipay. So for every foreigners, work on your Alipay if you want to have a rest of mind, should in case you have a refund problem like this. However, if you do not have Alipay and you still want to buy directly from some of the supplier on Pinduoduo, 1688, JD.com, Shenyun, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Let me facilitate your payment successful without any stress. Whether on 1688, Pinduoduo, Taobao, JD.com, Alibaba or AliExpress, it's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about how to import and ship products from China using Pinduoduo or any Chinese e-commerce platform, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.